Hello guys, today I am going to read Reproduction in Organism of class 12, chapter 1. Each and every organism can live only for a certain period of time. The period from birth to the natural death of an organism represents its lifespan. Lifespan of a few organisms are given in figure 1.1. Several other organisms are drawn for which you should find out their lifespans and write in the spaces provided. Examine the lifespans of organisms represented in the figure 1.1. Is not it both interesting and intriguing to note that it may be as short as a few days or as long as a few thousand years? Between these two extremes are the lifespans of most other living organisms. You may note that lifespans of organisms are not necessarily correlated with their sizes. The sizes of crows and parrots are not very different, yet their lifespans show a wide differences. Similarly, a mango tree has much shorter lifespan as compared to a peepal tree. Whatever Whatever be the lifespan, death of every individual organism is a certainty that in no individual is immortal except single-celled organism. Why do we say there is no natural death in single-celled organisms? Given this reality, have you ever wondered how vast number of plant and animal species have existed on Earth for several thousands of years? There must be some processes in living organisms that ensure this continuity. Yes, we are talking about reproduction, something that we take for granted. Now, we will see in the next slide approximate lifespan of some organism. First, elephant, whose lifespan is 60 to 90 years. Roach 5 to 7 years, dog 25 to 30 years, butterfly 1 to 2 weeks, crow 15 years. Now we will see some more examples. Banana tree 25 years, cow 20 to 25 years, parrot 140 years, crocodile 60 years, horse 60 years, fruit fly 1 to 2 weeks, rice plant 3 to 4 months, tortoise 100 to 150 years, banyan tree 200 to 300 years. Now we will see in the next slide about reproduction. Reproduction is defined as a biological process in which an organism gives rise to young ones, offspring similar to itself. The offspring grow, mature, and in turn produce new offspring. Thus, there is a cycle of birth, growth, and death. Reproduction enables the continuity of the species generation after generation. You will study later in chapter 5 principle of inheritance and variation, how genetic variation is created and inherited during reproduction. There is a large diversity in the biological world and each organism has evolved its own mechanism to multiply and produce offspring. The organism's habitat, its internal physiology, and several other factors are collectively responsible for how it reproduces. Based on whether there is participation of one organism or two in the process of reproduction, it is of two types. When offspring is produced by a single parent with or without the involvement of gamete formation, the reproduction is asexual. When two parents opposite sex participate in the reproduction process and also involve fusion of male and female gametes, it is called sexual reproduction. Now we will see asexual reproduction in the next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.